Hello guys, once again welcome back to my channel, the Token Trackers, and in this video I'm quickly going to give you today's code in the AriChain wallet and also show you some secret ways to earn, and then do the same thing for the Xenea Airdrop. So these two codes I'm going to give you in this particular video. So before we go into that, if you are new into my YouTube channel, please kindly hit the subscription button, also turn on the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever I upload new videos. Now, but before we go into today's video, if you are not yet participating in the WPI, if you are part of the community, if you are watching this video right now and you are not yet participating in the WPI, then you are doing a terrible mistake. You are not doing any good to yourself. So I've discussed with you a couple of videos regarding to this project. I've discussed with you what it is all about. I've discussed with you the links between it and the Pi project. So if you are not yet participating in this project, you are doing a very big mistake. So just head over to the comment section and also in the description section, and you are going to see the link to it. So there are two links. The links are, one is for the browser, that is if you want to join and be mining on your browser, so you can join on the on one, and then if you want it to be on your Telegram, so you can see the link there. So the two links are there, and it is very important that you start participating in this project immediately. I've already shown you how to withdraw Pi coins from this particular project, and I've done it, and I've done it well, and I showed you the proof. So if you are interested in participating in the project where you can be earning WPI, that is WPI tokens, and then swapping it to Pi coin, then you can join and start up immediately. So please don't joke with that project. Don't joke with it. Just try your best. Whether people are telling it a scam, whether it is a scam or not, the most important thing right now is that you are already earning. And what I can say, if you believe that it is a scam, there is an option for you to put monies there. Don't invest anything into it. If you decide to do it, you are doing it at your own risk. But I am telling you, don't put any investment into it, so that tomorrow you not come and hold me that okay, this that. Don't do that. Just simply earn by coming in to claim every single day, and then earn your WPI tokens. And so sometimes you can get them converted to Pi coins. So that is all. Now let's quickly come back to Ari. So you have to click on testnet right here. So the first thing will be to check in. So once you click on check in, you're going to earn your Ari points for today. So I've run this for 7 days and I've gotten an additional today. So let me click on OK, and then I will click on close, and then I will come down right here, and then there is this AriChain X Twitter mission right here. So I'll click on go, and then just go to, it will take me to X. I will just react to it and then head back to the AriChain, and then you can see it's showing processing. Sometimes this particular task does not reward immediately, so all I will advise you is make sure that you come back and check it later. So you can see the two are still showing processing right here. The daily check into is also showing processing, so you can check them later. So you have to click on daily quiz, and right here you are going to see the question is advanced, that is ZK snack is a most closely related to which technology. So which technology is it? It should be zero knowledge proofs. Okay, this one right here. Yeah, that's that. So you click on check, and you can see that it is going to load up, and you can see we have gotten that correctly. So we have also answered this quiz here for straight 7 days without failing. So that is why you see I've also gotten an additional Ari coins right here. So I will just click on OK. So once I click on OK, you can see I will just refresh, and then you can see this one has been added. These two are not yet added, so I will come back later to check. So please, and if you have not joined the AriChain, I'm going to leave the referral code in the comment section and also in the description section, so that you can join and start up participating daily. So you need to download the app in the Play Store or the Apple Store. Next code I'm going to give you is for this project right here. So if you make sure that you can see all of my apps, I've set it to pin. So I need a pin to log in right here. So let me just insert my pin. So once you have logged in like this, the first thing you have to do is come over right here and then click on campaign gem right there, and then you are going to just go ahead and click on your daily check-in right there. So you can see we have gotten 113th gem. So you click on great job, and then you are just going to come down to missions right here, and on the mission section I'm just going to scroll right here and start from here, and then click on check-in bonus. You can see I've gotten 96. Do the same right here. You can see I've gotten 86, the same. I've gotten another 106, the same. So as I'm doing, I'm checking in. So that is all I'm doing for all these campaigns right here. So the last one right here is where we are going to get our daily quiz today. But before that, I will come here. I always click this one right here. These are the simple ways I do to earn massively. So you can see I've gotten 100 gem right there, and then I'm going to come down to the daily quiz right here. So click on the day in which I am supposed to check in. So I click on start, and then the question is, you can see daily quiz on June 11th. So today is June 11th, and that is the day for this code. If you are using June 12th, if you see it on June 12th, then the code is not valid again, so you have to check another one. So the question is, which is a benefit of interoperability? So the right answer should be different blockchains can share data and assets across networks. Yes, so it is this one right here, D. So you just click on submit. So you can see we are correct, and we have gotten 100 gems for it. So that is that, and that is how you can get the codes for today, guys. So if you're not yet participating in this project, also I'm going to leave the link in the comment section and also in the description section, so that you can use the referral codes to start participating immediately. And you can see I'm also climbing the leaderboard, so you can track your leaderboard, so you can track the leaderboard by coming to reward right here. So it's as simple as that, and I just thought of sharing it with you. So thank you so much. See you in my next video.